This is CommunicAsia TV, brought to you by Total Telecom. I'm talking to Navin Vohra of Commscope. Navin, we're talking about LTE networks this morning. Now, the operators have got a lot of problems, a lot of issues and challenges. What are the main ones as far as you're concerned?
Yeah, Brian, that's a great question. So as you're aware, smartphone penetration is increasing by the day. Also, a number of operators are now deploying LTE networks. As per some of the research and some of the reports that are over there, currently we are at about 100 million subscribers, LTE subscribers, and that's expected to grow to 1 billion subscribers in 2018. So that's like a 10-fold increase in the next 5 years or so. And what that does is that puts a lot of demand on the network in terms of supporting the data traffic. Okay, and so the key issues that the operators face with this increasing demand of data is how to add capacity in these dense urban environments where acquiring sites is a big challenge. Okay, the other main question that the operators face is, are they using their backhaul networks, the spectrum that they have, efficiently, because it's a huge load on the backhaul networks. And the third main question that the operators are facing is how to modernize their networks such as they don't affect customer satisfaction. Okay, one other key thing is a study that Ericsson did. And the report that has come out, this is the consumer lab of Ericsson, and the report that has come out is that network performance is a vital parameter for the subscribers, the smartphone subscribers, to select an operator. Okay, so the network performance is extremely important. Okay.
Yes, I mean, it's an exciting time, yet almost a frightening time, isn't it, in many ways? I mean, so explain where Commscope comes into this.
Right. So as I said, I mean, these three main issues that the operators are facing, right? And to top it, the network quality and the network performance, right? So we, Commscope, come in to support the operators to solve these three problems, okay? Which are namely how to add capacity in really dense urban environments, okay? How to make efficient use of the backhaul spectrum that they have, right? And to minimize the interference that will be there, and how to modernize their networks so that the customer satisfaction remains the same or gets even better, okay?
Yes, I'm sure with all these issues, they're going to be very glad to have you guys around. Tell us a bit more about the company. It's the first time we've had the chance to talk to you. What else do Commscope get involved with?
All right. Brian, so Commscope, we have three main businesses, okay? The wireless business is what I represent, and that's the Andrew brand name, right, which was acquired by Commscope. And then there are two more businesses with Commscope. The second one is the structured cabling enterprise business, okay, which is a Systemax brand name that is known as. And the third one is the broadband piece. Okay, so these are the three businesses within the Commscope umbrella.
Oh, thanks for explaining that to us. What have been your impressions of the show so far this year?
Oh, well, it's been exciting times. We definitely are seeing better traction in this year, 2013, as compared to 2012. And I guess it's a lot to do with the LTE, the proliferation of the smartphones, the growth of the data, explosion of data, and the issues that the operators are facing. And, they're seeking solutions, how best to address them.
Great. Well, I'm sure it's going to be a debate for some time to come as LTE moves forward, as you say, in such a strident way. And thanks for speaking with us this morning.
Thank you very much, Brian.